Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be talking about leachate and its use in gardening. So let us first learn what is leachate. In simple words, leachate is the water that is released during the composting process. Some of the water that oozes out of the organic matter evaporates and the rest settle down at the bottom, dissolving the humic compounds in the organic matter. These humic compounds are the ones that are needed in gardening. Now there is a raging controversy on whether you must use your leachate in gardening, especially in veggie gardening, etc. Some people say that it is toxic to plants, etc., etc. Yes, there is ample data that leachate can be toxic to plants, but if used properly after taking care of certain things before adding this into your soil, this becomes an excellent source of humus addition in the soil. For all you who must be thinking that leachate is very high in NPK, you are wrong. It isn't. It has traces of these nutrients in it. It mostly contains humic acid and fulvic acid. Both are key humic substances required to maintain good soil porosity and improving nutrient absorption and transportation ability of the soil. So what kind of leachate isn't toxic? If you get an odorless dark brown liquid, it is safe to use in your garden immediately. You don't have to dilute it because it is not very rich in NPK and would not burn your plant. But you can dilute it if you want to cover more plants. If you get a very stinky yellow or dark black liquid which is slimy and gooey, then it is most probably toxic due to anaerobic decomposition. So do not use this immediately, and dilution is not the answer. What you can do is set it aside under full sun for a week or two till the odor dissipates, and then you can use it in the garden. This is because you need to give the bacteria some time to consume any toxic acids that are present in it. So this is my leachate application process. I dilute the leachate because I collect leachate 3 times a week, so I want to cover more plants, so adding water increases the amount of leachate. So always remember to add leachate or any fertilizer directly into the soil and desist from foliar spraying, because it is less effective than soil absorption. The main role of the roots is to absorb nutrients and distribute it to the plants, and then to the leaves, which are the kitchen of the plant. Not that foliar spraying is not effective, it can absorb the nutrients, etc., and it can yield good results, but in the long run you must remember that the main function of the leaves is not nutrient absorption, but it is photosynthesis. So just like you can't make your kidney perform the function of your heart, don't overdo foliar spraying, it isn't all that effective. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. So I hope all these gardening tips and information help you in your gardening journey, just like how it did in mine. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be given below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again, goodbye.